You getting a wash? Getting a wash now, aren't you? Yeah. That's the beard. Oh, you poor wet puppy. Please do not shake. Alright. More human. Ah, no! Why did you have to do that? Hold on, let me see how we look. It's kind of a bit of a sad news. If you remember, I was working with Banggood.com. Tom, that I was working with closely, he was from UK originally. Since the kind of beginning of the pandemic in Europe, he was let go. The company chose not to have any foreign employees, so therefore they let him go, unfortunately. And my contacts have gone altogether. In the meantime, TomTom.com got in touch with me, and hopefully I'll be working with them because I really enjoy these budget drones. I think they're quite a lot of fun. So they've sent me out this one. It's called the BEAST. Age 14 plus suggested. So it comes into a neat box, actually, like that. Flip, it just opens like that. It's kind of like magnetic. I like that box. Take it out. So I took out the battery to charge, so it's charging. And this one here is unfortunately not chargeable remote, but you have to put in batteries. It opens like this. It's like that. Yeah, this is kind of cool. So for your phone. They come with removable sticks. Some spares in the box. Charging lead. Manuals. A full set of spare blades. Camera. Open it up. 2 silver sticks. So I suppose for transportation purposes it's very handy. You don't, they just pop up once. They just pop up, you don't have to screw. But I just couldn't intend to screw because you see there's nothing to screw on. So I just kind of push and twist. Whoops. So here's our remote now, all ready to go. There's a good solid weight too. So today's quite windy, so same principle as on all the other drones. This is more sturdy actually. It's actually bigger too. So I think it will hold the wind. Also, you can remove that too, yes. It just fell on the floor. Excuse me. No, I won't be doing that again. So you can remove if you just want to fly the drone, I suppose, but we want to see where we're going, so it's no fun without this. So you can just push it back in. And I think, see, you can move your camera up and down. Let's go out and try this beast outside, in the field. I better close these legs. They're a bit stiff. I suppose it's a good thing. Oh. I don't think that it matters, the sequence, because they just all fold up like that. It's a neat little drone. I like it. Do you like it? What do you think? Have any of you flown BEAST? BEAST. We're going to give this away to one of Dave's guys at work. So they have, I think, 3 kids. I'm not too sure. But anyway, so they already have a few drones. So we thought, because they do have interest in drones, so we've decided to, after a test flight and hopefully not break it, we'll give this to them. I don't intend to keep all my drones. Now there is one that I will be giving away to you guys, so if you want it, you can have it. It's the one that previously I've flown. Yeah, would that be fair enough? Yeah? Right. That box it. Huh? Listen, magnetic. I like that. Okay, so batteries are charging. I need 4 batteries. Oh, I need that screwdriver actually. Oh, it's coming out, it's coming out. So 1, 2, 3, 4. As always, 4 batteries. They're charging at the moment. So I put my phone in here. Works perfect. Okay. It'll take probably an hour or so to charge, so I'll see you guys later. rotating until it beeps, and then face down, rotate again until it beeps. There we go, it beeped. Okay, so I think we're fully calibrated now. I like the little screen underneath here, it looks very good. So mode 1, and everything is fully charged. Prepare to fly, what's that mean? Let's click prepare to fly. Okay, we're done, next. All that. So, oh, can't reach camera. Wi-Fi. There's the Wi-Fi. XL 4K 5G. So let's see how it all operates. I think we're gonna. What's that mean? Oh my gosh. Did you press something? Nothing. Please take care of safety. Keep safe distance. 3 meters between
follow me works.
When you open the app, you can click prepare to fly or simply start. Prepare to fly will show you detail of how to calibrate. I'll give you some tips. On this BEAST drone there is no SD card slot, so all your photos and videos are stored internally within the app. Decided to come back. It's a bit less winds today.
I'm so hot.
And Jack is so hot. So I've decided just to kind of try to see how high we can go and how it actually holds with no winds. So put the battery in. Oh, upside down. Put the battery in. She's in. Let's call them navigators. What do you think of the navigators, Jack? Where's my phone? Place the phone in. Okay. Okay, I want to go a little bit further down and say go up. Let's go up. Altitude 50 meters. That's plenty. That's good, isn't it? Oh. I know, it's okay. He's kind of funny. He's jumping. It's like a rabbit. Oh, are you a friendly little fella? Like a big fella. So the following morning we decided to go back out in the field and try some features like the circle or orbit. And there's also one other cool sort of feature where you can actually record yourself in the corner. I just did not realize that my face was covered. What? Unless you are close to yourself and you're in trouble, do not click because it will just literally fall out of the sky. So do not click that stop button because it shuts the motors and comes smashing down to the ground. Any of the other features like follow me or circle or orbit, you can only fly when there's no wind.
Okay. I think that airplane just crashed.
I wasn't really planning to crash land it, but it did. Investigation. Okay, so it's another great toy. It flies really well, and obviously it flies really well in wind. It's just a
part of the fun.
It's not a drone. It's not a toy.
No.
Why not? It's a toy.
How does it fly then?
Like this.
I never saw a flying drone. Flying toy.
A flying toy.
Yeah.
Well, it is a flying toy. For
No.
adults.
No such a thing of a flying toy.
Right. Okay. Well, anyway, it's
Wait,
it's very good in winds and.
Introducing the new flying toy. might be a little bit bored for this video. It's coming back. Run! Ah! Leave a like. That means yes. So when you leave a like, that means I'll bring this home.